Okay, so there's not a huge difference between the both of them. In my opinion, this one seems a little bit thicker, which is very odd. So I don't know if they messed around with that. Flavor wise, this one seems a little bit sweeter, but I thought it was going to be so much sweeter. Like, I have like my protein powders, which are so sweet, and so from that experience, I was expecting to go into Huel with that, which is really sweet. Like, you gag, you're gonna like, you know, when you're actually drinking it, just because it's so sweet. It's too sweet. And so because of my experience with that, I thought I was going to have something similar with these guys here. To be honest, it's not that bad. And so I'm trying to think of what the unflavored version is going to taste like compared to what we have right here. Because it doesn't seem like it's that flavored at all. Like, it's tiniest little hint of it. And I'll just give it another taste. Yeah, again, very hard to portray taste through a lens and through a screen to you guys. But I would recommend you guys, you could probably make, not Huel yourself, but you can probably replicate the taste yourself before, if you're on the edge of, do I buy this product, or do I pay the shipping to get it to me because I'm on the other side of the world. Again, it is free shipping if you're close to the UK and that type of thing, but I'm not too sure what it's like overseas. If you want to replicate this taste before going in and getting Huel yourself, I'd recommend you pick up like ready oats and that type of thing, and put like the tiniest little bit of vanilla into that. It is not too sweet. I've seen YouTube videos and people are complaining about how sweet it is and that type of thing. Now, I don't drink much, you know, pop or fizzy drinks, you know, or soda or whatever you call it. So I'm not used to like very sweet things. Very different. Very different. I don't like this. That's okay. So this, yeah, very different taste. It tastes more like nuts. It tastes like someone blended peanuts into a flour and then added water to it. So you can see that that's a major difference between from this to the vanilla flavors. What would I prefer? 100% of vanilla flavors. I think I probably would use this for baking, for making my own things. I would never probably drink it as I've just made it right now. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with this. If anything, the vanilla flavors seem to cancel out that peanut flavor, which I don't know, as you an individual, I don't know if that's good or bad for you. Personally, you know, it's something that's not natural. This is more natural, obviously no sweeteners than this one. But if I was to drink this every day, I could probably get used to this. But in terms of enjoying my experience while drinking, I think the two vanilla flavors are the go-to for me individually. This is very nutty. This is definitely a no from me, the unflavoured, unsweetened version of Huel. And now, I'm just gonna retest these guys now that I've had a taste of all of them and give you my opinion on them as much as possible. Now I'm just gonna clean my palate. And so this is the original. We're gonna taste the original first. Just give it a shake beforehand. Okay, and definitely an improvement, but I want to go straight into the other one as well, so I know a side-by-side comparison. New and improved version of Huel Original. So this is the new and improved vanilla. Okay, so while it's fresh in my head, the new and improved, afterwards, so your aftertaste, you can feel and you can taste a lot more of the artificial flavoring. Again, very, very subtle. The new and improved version does seem more artificial. So it does seem like there is a lot more flavors, and I think there is, and again, I'll let you guys know. Yeah, this is more of a flavoursome drink. Okay, this one is a lot more subtle. What would I enjoy? I actually enjoy the original. On going through these, and again, I just want to have another taste. So this one tastes like there's like these these like marshmallow sandwiches you can get. So they're like wafers on either side, and then there's like marshmallow in the inside. There's probably a certain name for them, but that's what this tastes like. It tastes kind of like one of those. But again, nothing compared to the unflavoured version. It just cancels out that nutty flavour completely. Yeah, so so my my verdict is on these three. We have and I'll put some sort of notification on these guys. So unflavoured, unsweetened, original, vanilla, new and improved vanilla. So I would go for the original over the new and improved, and I would go for the new improved over the unsweetened. So overall, my verdict is that I much prefer the original vanilla over the new improved version of Huel. My experience for Huel so far is it is going to be a very, very interesting few weeks going through and experiencing this on a nearly daily basis. Will I be replacing every single meal with this? I don't think so, and I don't think Huel recommends that either. They say it's a meal replacement, but I don't think it is specifically designed to just be consumed by itself every single day. Now, there's a lot of people that just live off this and its comparison, which is Soylent in the US. Yes, they probably do contain everything that you need on a day-to-day basis, but there are psychological and mental repercussions for that as well, with the social aspect of eating being thrown out the door. I think I could probably withstand it. I think I am very interested in trying that out. I'm not opposed to that idea, but I don't think Huel had it in their mindset that this would be used only as a substitute for any other sort of food. Just looking at their day-to-day plan for eating, that specifically shows that there are 2 meals reserved for the evening, that is dinner and supper, or whatever the last meal of the day is, and they are reserved for normal food. So they don't recommend you just eat or drink Huel, whatever it is you're actually doing. So that's something for you guys to take into account. I'm very, very happy that I now am part of the Huel family, and I do look forward to experimenting with the flavours outside of their boundaries as well, by using coffee flavours, making smoothies, making cakes, and even the possibility of making like bars and that type of thing into the future. So guys, if you are interested in that, please leave a comment below on any of these part of videos and please let me know your thoughts, what you're thinking at this second right now. Are you going to pick up some yourself? Are you looking for advice on parts of Huel that I haven't gone through in this video? I'm sure me or some other people in the community can answer that below. But yeah, that is my verdict. Original, nicer than the new and approved, and the unsweetened version is just not for me. Hey guys, thanks for staying tuned this far of the Huel comparison videos. There will be another part to this, so please click either here or here and it'll bring you to the next one. Just before you go, please hit that like button, and one last thing, if you want to save an extra 10%, meaning a 20% discount on your Huel, there will be a specific link in the description exclusive just for you, where you can go and save an extra 10%, meaning 20% overall on your next Huel order.